I am an Indian. I love what you said in the beginning. Nationalist collective is the real answer that you have said. Arnabji, patience shown by present government is exemplary. And that traitor, that misanthropist should have been shot dead right over there. Me being a young Indian, I am ashamed that from last 2 months, I made each and every point to prove that farm bills are wrong. But today, or rather I would say in last few days, whatever has happened has actually killed the young generation of India. They have taken back the real people like us who wanted to put our points. They are not letting us to speak. Sir, the action that happened yesterday, because of that, I could not sleep.
Who's not letting
My
you
nation,
speak? I mean,
my
Bharat, don't present this picture as if any democratic right is being throttled. In fact, I am of the view that democracy
Not
has
at
been
all.
stretched to its limits.
You
In
are
this
right,
country, the
Arnabji.
problem is that people who abuse the
Arnabji,
Supreme Court say they have the right under 19(1)(a). No. People who abuse the Supreme Court say they have the right to do so under 19(1)(a). And people like us who respect the Supreme Court are made to feel that if you ever approach the courts is a crime. No, this has to end.
That's wrong.
You've got to realize it's gone on too far. It's gone on too far. No. This was a misuse and abuse. And I think, no, I'm sorry. These people, I want to know today, I can tell you the names of lawyers. I can tell you names of some Supreme Court lawyers, M.R. Venkatesh, I'm not taking the name, who have been also instrumental in the provocation. Names of senior Supreme Court lawyers, at least especially one, we all know who, I'm not taking names, who's been an agent provocateur in all this.
On 14th December.
Yes.
No, why do they get a free run?
Listen to me.
Why do they get a free run? Why, what is their role? Why are there no cases of 307 against them?
Your channel tweeted what
No,
I
why
said.
do they not face the law?
Mr. Bharat,
This
now
is
let me
all
speak.
a conspiracy
I gave you enough
that
time.
India needs to understand.
Mr. Bharat,
Arnabji,
Mr. Bharat, would you stop
please.
now?
I'm sorry,
Now listen,
please go on. Sorry,
Mr. Arnab, let us put the facts clear. Whatever happened yesterday was a most shameful episode, and it was triggered by a series of anti-national activities by certain urban nexus. Now you can say that there were some drunken louds or louds on substances. That's a smaller order of smalls. But what has happened to the government, that it has not done anything with people like Yogendra Yadav, people who are instigating this type of actions, people who were forcing the farmers to enter Delhi and carry on a tractor rally and ensure that the fair name of India was tarnished at the world arena on the most significant day of our political system, namely the Republic Day. I would like Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi to now give an assurance to the nation through your channel that the strictest of action will be taken on the conspirators, and that should begin by arresting people like Yogendra Yadav pronto. And I am only using a name because that name strikes a chord uniformly across all of India, and that is a name that Sudhanshu Trivedi will also accede. And this should be a request not from me. It should be seen as a request from all right-thinking Indians. Because what has happened, sir, is the death of our system, political system. An attempted coup on the Constitution of India, and on the most holiest of days, namely the 26th of January. Now, Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, it is no longer coming on channels and saying सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी, हम खड़ी निंदा करते हैं और हम ये कार्रवाई करेंगे, FIR हो गया है. हम चाहते हैं इनकी गिरफ्तारी हो और इनके लिए स्पेशल कोड भी आप बनाएं और तुरंत से तुरंत आप जितने जल्दी हो सके आप इन पे सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई कीजिए और इनको अंदर कीजिए. नहीं तो ये कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Please understand. See, from your this has come about because you were very soft on CAA protesters, and this will happen next time also. So please be warned from right-thinking people that we are with you, sir. We, the people of India, have given you a mandate of 303 seats, not to come to the TV channels and tell us that you are registering an FIR. We want you to put a special court. Give us an assurance right now that you will put a special court to take on these type of anti-nationalists and take them to the gallows if need be. And we will be with you, sir. We assure you, I am telling you, and on behalf of several viewers of Republic, I can assure you that we are all with you, sir. We are all with the Prime Minister. Please take the necessary action to restore the majesty of law. What has been happening yesterday is that the majesty of law has been...
I also want to...